Hey guys, Penguin Tech here. Today we are going to unbox the Huawei Soundstone portable Bluetooth speaker that comes as a free gift when you purchase Huawei Mate 20 here. For your information, I'm actually recording on the new Huawei Mate 20 1080p at 60 frames per second. We'll test out the video quality as well as the audio quality. But first, let's unbox this baby. So as you can see, this has a loud and vibration sound. It is also light and portable and offers water resistance. This can be operated through Bluetooth. Yes, as you can see here, loud sound IPX5 water resistant, offers 8.5 hours of playtime as well as hands-free calling. This uses Bluetooth 4.1, has a 700 mAh lithium polymer battery inside. Without further ado, let's open this up. Let's see. So we have another box here that has the speaker cable inside. Standard micro USB cable. As well as a USB header. I suppose this is used as a charger wire cable. Let's see what else is inside. So we have a manual book here. It's actually quite thick. We actually have two books inside. This is the quick guide start. And this is the warranty card. Inside first. Next, we go to the speaker. As you can see, it is black color, round shape. Oh wow, this actually looks very nice. There's a fiber cloth on it. Look at the design, it's quite cute. And it's fairly light, and it has a hanger here that lets you maybe hang onto your bag or something. You can bring it around to listen to music. Let's see, this is a rubberized texture, rubberized bottom that offers grip so that it doesn't glide. Let's see here's a cover here, I believe. Oh, this is I see. So this is how they offer water resistance. As you can see, it's actually rubberized and very tight inside, so it's actually pretty hard to remove, but once you get used to it, it's fairly easy. So when you open it, you get access to your micro USB header. Let's cover it back up. So as you can see here, this is the volume down button, volume up button, play or stop button. This button is quite mushy, I must say. There is the power button, Bluetooth button. I suppose the holes are microphone. I think I need some time to charge it, so we'll be back soon. So I've just charged this portable speaker, and now we're going to test it. So before that, I would like to connect this first. Here is the power button. You need to press and hold on it.
Power on.
There, it's power on. Now you need to push this button once. Here the LED is lighting up. Now we have to go into our phone, turn on the Bluetooth. Let's go inside here.
Connected.
Oh, there, automatically connected. Actually, you need to actually pair it first before it can automatically connect. So now let's try out some music and see the quality. So as you can see, the music is very clear. Now let's disconnect this. So you just have to scroll it down and then disconnect the Bluetooth.
Disconnect.
There we go. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Ciao.